Are you an outdoor enthusiast looking for a comfortable and convenient way to explore the great outdoors? Look no further than the Class B RVs. These compact, yet fully equipped motorhomes offer the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and mobility. Today, we've got an exciting lineup for you. The 5 best outdoor Class B RVs for 2024. If you're ready to hit the road and embrace the great outdoors in style, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Gres Strada Ion is a Class B motorhome that truly stands out from the crowd. With its sleek and modern design, this RV offers both luxury and versatility. Built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, the Strada Ion offers a smooth and comfortable ride. Inside, you'll find a spacious interior with modern amenities, making it perfect for both short getaways and extended road trips. The interior is thoughtfully designed, with high-quality materials and finishes that create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. The Strada Ion features a well-equipped kitchenette, complete with a refrigerator, microwave and stove. The spacious bathroom includes a shower, toilet and sink, providing all the comforts of home. With its powerful engine and smooth ride, the Gres Strada Ion is a top choice for those who value luxury and comfort on their outdoor adventures. With its innovative technology and attention to detail, the Gres Strada Ion is a standout in the Class B RV category. For outdoor enthusiasts who prefer a more compact and efficient motorhome, the Winnebago Rome is the perfect choice. This Class B RV is designed with functionality and convenience in mind. This RV is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis, providing a reliable and efficient driving experience. Despite its small size, the Rome offers a surprising amount of living space, with a comfortable sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a compact bathroom. What sets the Rome apart is its versatile floor plan, allowing you to customize the living space to suit your needs. The clever layout and storage solutions make the most of the available space, ensuring that you have everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable outdoor experience. The Winnebago Rome is a reliable and practical option for those who want to hit the road without compromising on comfort. Whether you're a solo traveler or adventuring with a group, the Winnebago Rome offers comfort and flexibility for any journey. If you're planning an outdoor adventure with the whole family, the JCO Comet is an excellent choice. JCO is known for creating RVs that feel like a home away from home, and the Comet is no exception. The Comet is built on a Ford Transit chassis, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride. This Class B motorhome offers spacious and comfortable living quarters, with enough room to accommodate up to 6 people. The interior is thoughtfully designed, with plenty of storage space, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a bathroom with shower facilities. The JCO Comet also features a dinette area that can be converted into an additional sleeping space, making it perfect for families with children. With its durable construction and family-friendly design, the JCO Comet is a reliable and versatile choice for your outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish RV, the JCO Comet is definitely worth considering. For outdoor enthusiasts who love off-road adventures and exploring rugged terrains, the Winnebago Soless NP is the ideal Class B RV. This rugged motorhome is built on a durable chassis, with off-road capabilities that allow you to go wherever your adventurous spirit takes you. Winnebago makes another appearance on our list, and for good reason. The Soless NP is a camper van designed for those who crave adventure and freedom. With its pop-top roof, you can enjoy panoramic views of your surroundings and let the fresh air in. Inside, you'll find a well-thought-out layout that maximizes space and functionality. The Soless NP features a versatile interior, with a fully equipped kitchenette, a bathroom with a shower, and a spacious sleeping area. The pop-top roof provides additional headroom and sleeping space, making it perfect for larger groups or families. With its adventure-ready design and off-road capabilities, the Winnebago Soless NP is the ultimate choice for outdoor enthusiasts who crave the thrill of exploring the great outdoors. Let's talk about the heart and soul of the Thor Dazzle. Its chassis, built on the robust Ram ProMaster 3500 window van chassis, this camper van is engineered for the ultimate road trip experience. Now, when it comes to convenience, the Thor Dazzle is in a league of its own. Inside this compact wonder, you'll find a thoughtfully designed living space that maximizes comfort without compromising on functionality. The fully equipped kitchenette allows you to whip up delicious meals on the go, ensuring that your culinary adventures are as memorable as your outdoor excursions. One of the standout features of the Thor Dazzle is its compact size. This means you can park virtually anywhere, eliminating the stress of finding that perfect spot. Whether you're navigating through national park trails or looking for a cozy space at a local campsite, the Dazzle's nimble size opens up a world of possibilities, making your journey just as exciting as the destination itself. And here's the best part, the Thor Dazzle won't break the bank. With its economical design, you'll not only save on gas with its efficient performance, but also have more funds to splurge on experiences at your destination. So, if you're dreaming of a road trip filled with adventure and affordability, the Thor Dazzle is your go-to choice. Buckle up and get ready to turn your travel dreams into reality. There you have it, folks. The 5 best Outdoor Class B RVs for 2024. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, these RVs offer the perfect blend of comfort and adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more RV content, and let us know in the comments which RV caught your eye. Until next time, happy trails and safe travels.